First off, let's talk about the design. The Apple MacBook Pro M2 2023 stays true to the sleek, premium design Apple is known for. The aluminum body feels solid, the finish is flawless, and it's incredibly slim for all the power packed inside. It comes in two sizes, the 14-inch and the 16-inch, both offering a beautiful liquid retina XDR display. The bezels are thin, and the screen-to-body ratio is impressive. Performance is where the MacBook Pro really shines. The new M1 Pro and M1 Max chips are absolute powerhouses. You can feel the difference immediately. Whether you're compiling code, rendering 3D models, or editing high-resolution video, the MacBook Pro can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The M1 Max chips come with more cores and GPU power, which makes them perfect for professionals who need all the horsepower they can get. With these chips, multitasking is a breeze, and apps load faster than ever. The M1 Max comes with a 10-core CPU, which includes 8 performance cores and 2 efficiency cores, ensuring the best balance between power and energy efficiency. What really sets the M1 Max apart, though, is its GPU. The M1 Max comes with up to 32 GPU cores, making it a powerhouse for graphics-intensive workflows. And here's the crazy part. Despite all that power, the M1 Max is incredibly efficient. Apple's unified memory architecture, combined with the advanced power management of the M1 Max, means it uses less power compared to traditional Intel chips, while still delivering more performance. So, is the MacBook Pro worth it? Honestly, if you're someone who values performance, display quality, and a well-designed machine, then yes, this laptop is an absolute powerhouse. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the quality and reliability you get in return make it a solid investment. One of the most impressive aspects of the MacBook Pro is its battery life. Apple claims up to 21 hours of video playback on the 16-inch model, and in real-world use, it definitely comes close. Whether you're editing, browsing, or working on documents, you can easily get through a full day without reaching for the charger. Well, the MacBook Pro is certainly not cheap. The 14-inch model starts around $1,999, and the 16-inch starts at $2,499. But for that price, you're getting exceptional build quality, performance, and longevity.